Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay today. As you can see, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette that we got in our Boxy Premium this month. I've only used this a couple of times. This is a $50 palette. This is how that palette is laid out. I did change up the background a little. I thought my wall was a little too much, and I kept having to turn back around and back around. So this works better for me. I hope it works better for all of y'all. The lip that I have on today is the Trophy Wife liner in Huda Beauty, and then Jeffree Star's Fully Nude. That is my lip combo for today. So let's go ahead and do a look with this palette. Now I have played with it, like I said, a couple of times, not a whole lot. But from what I've done, it's a pretty easy palette to work with. I think I'm going to go into Locket first, which is a brownish taupe color, and just put that all over my eyelid, just to set my primer and everything down. So I hope everybody had a great Christmas. I had a rather different Christmas than usual. All the family could not make it in. Mom was sick. Just not the typical Christmas, or my Christmas anyway. I do want to give a big thank you to Coda and Orion's Adventure. If y'all do not follow her, she sent me this beautiful orange necklace and the earrings to match. Orange is my favorite color. It was a little bit longer than my normal necklace, so it works out great. Jen, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. It wasn't expected. She also sent one for my daughter. She sent 2 sets for my daughter. Her birthstone, and then yellow is her color. So thank you again. We do appreciate it. And if y'all don't go follow her, go check her out. I think she's awesome. Her content is something that I'm interested in, so maybe you will be too. So let's go back to getting this look done or accomplished. I haven't really been in the mood of playing with makeup. I sat down to film today finally after putting it off and putting it off. The end of the year is fixing to be here. But I had a lady that I took care of for a long time pass away today, which made it that much harder to get my behind in gear and film some videos that I've been putting off. So, it's not the greatest day, but it's the day I'm having. So there's that. I'm now going to take a different brush if I can find one. And I'm going to go into Key, which is the darker brown in here. So how many of y'all have used this palette? What are your thoughts on it? The way it's laid out is a little weird. But the colors are good. I like the colors in it. It's easy to work with. So while it might look weird laid out, it is a very nice palette. I do have hooded eyes, which is why I always make my crease line a little bit different. and my eyes are different shaped. So, where most people have it easy, I do not. It is double torture for me. Samantha did get a new mirror for in here, which is a nice mirror, but it connects to her iPhone. And my old mirror went down here, which I just put one of my Jeffree Star stickers on, so I'm not going to give it up. It was my first YouTube makeup mirror, but I didn't know I was going to be putting it in retirement so soon. But it's okay. This one's quite cute also. That is what that looks like. So it's nice. It's got a very clear mirror, which is always a good thing. Just going to get by the lash line a little bit better. I think I'm going to take a tad bit of the black or Onyx in here and just put that on the very V. Just barely. Alright. I'm going to wipe my brush off a little bit and then just go back and blend this one last time. Husband's in the living room with the dogs, so y'all might hear him. Dogs are good. They had a good Christmas too, so alright, now let's see what we want to use. I think I'm going to use the diamond color out of here for my shimmer on the top of my lid. I'm going to start with my finger first. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. Like I said, this is an easy palette to work with. Very neutral colors, but the shimmers are what really gives it its va-va-voom in this palette. They're very pretty. They do have the pigment, so it is a very nice, pretty palette to work with. Alright, so I'm going to take some of the pearl color in here. I'm going to use that above my eyebrow bone. It's a very simple, easy palette that looks like you've taken hours to do a look, and it just comes together. And nobody will ever know the difference. I'm just going to go back in and give that brown that we started with, the locket color, just another little introduction in there. Alright, I'm going to take that key, that darker brown color. I'm going to the lash line. Okay. Then I'm going to take some of the coin color in here. I'm going to use that on my inner corner. And right underneath. There's that. And I'm going to use some of the Sugar Coal of Honor Kohl eyeliner in black. I have half of my stuff in a basket right now. I'm trying to get out my best of Boxy for 2019 video. I was shocked at how much stuff I had collected just from Boxycharm in 1 year. Now mind you, I didn't start my channel until February, but I started getting Boxy last August, so I've been getting it for a minute, and you acquire so much stuff. I was shocked. Alright, so this is a very pretty look, very simple, very go out the door and head to work look. I like this palette. It takes almost no time to throw something on. Dog's barking. It wouldn't be my house if that wasn't happening. Still don't know how I feel about this mascara. I want to love it. And for sometimes I do, and then there's other times I put it on and it just clumps. But my It mascara, that superhero mascara, is starting to do that. It's like there's too much mascara in a tube. Alright, so there's my look that I created with the Hidden Treasure palette. You watched me do it. It only took a few minutes. Like I said, it's very neutral, very natural, very pretty look. So if you got this palette, there's your one to try. I am sorry I'm not so upbeat today, but I'm trying to get there. I do appreciate you watching the video, taking time out. I hope you had a great Christmas. Take a minute and like the video or dislike the video. I mean, it's your choice. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'd love to have you. Hit the bell, hit all. You'll get notified of every video. And until next time, as always, y'all stay beautiful.